Hello and welcome back. So today I will be solving these kind of problems where we calculate the area and perimeter of a circle when two portions are shaded, right? Okay, so let's work on this. So let's say in this case we are given the diameter. I want to solve the diameter this time around. So let's say the diameter is 28 centimeters, right? So if the diameter is given as 28 centimeters, let's work on that. So our area will then be, if you recall with what we gave to be our area, it will then be what? By d square over what? 4. But since two portions are shaded, we're going to be multiplying it by 2 over 4. Now you recall I say this is also same thing as 1 over 2, because when this comes we give 1 over 2, then pi d square over what? 4. Alright, so let's proceed. So our area will be equal to, let's substitute the values into the equation now. So we have 1 over 2 times pi is 22 over 7 times the diameter is 28 times 28, all divided by what? 4. Okay, so then we'll be having the area will be equal to, now let's multiply the numerators. The numerators say we are having 22 times 28 times 28. So we'll be having 17248 divided by, the denominator says 2 times 4, 2 times 4 times 7 will give you what? 56. Alright, so let's divide the numerator by the denominator. The 17248 divided by 56. So we're going to be having 308. Now since this is area, it will be centimeter what? Squared. Okay, so let's find the perimeter of this shape. And the perimeter of this shape, if we are using pi d, so we'll be having 2 over 4 again, then pi d plus d, right? So we'll be having 1 over 2 times 22 over 7 times 28, then plus 28. Okay, so this is going to be, let's multiply the numerators. We have 22 times 28 will give you 616, right? Divided by 2 times 7 will give you 14 plus 28. So this is going to give us, okay, let's finalize this first. 616 divided by 14 will give you 44 plus 28. So 44 plus 28 is going to give you 72 centimeters. That will be our perimeter. Okay, so in case you want to still use radius, you are allowed, right? So let me see, let's try radius for the area. So area will be 1 over 2 pi r squared, right? So we are 1 over 2 times 22 over 7 times, now since diameter is what is given, our radius will be d divided by 2, which is 28 divided by 2, which gives you what? 14. So we can now have 14 times 14 over 1 over 1, right? So let's multiply the numerators. So we have 22 times 14 times 14. We have 4, 3, 1, 2. 2 times 7, we have 14. So let's divide and see. Divided by 14, we're going to be having 308. So it's same, right? Centimeter square. You can see that it's same with this. 308 centimeter squared. They are all 308 centimeter squared, right? Okay, so let's see for the perimeter. For the perimeters, let's use R, right? So we have P will be equal to 1 over 2. Then we have 2 pi R, then plus 2R. So let's substitute values. We have 1 over 2 times 2 over 1 times 22 over 7 times 14 over 1, then plus 2 times 14. Let's guide this one in braces. Okay, so to go further, let's multiply the numerators. We have 2 times 22 times 14. So we're going to be having 616 divided by 2 times 7, which will give us 14. Then plus 2 times 14 will give you 28. So let's first divide this value now. Divided by 14. So we're having 44 plus 28. So that also gives us what? 72 centimeters. So if you decide to use diameter, you have the same answer as when you use what? Radius. So this brings us to the end of this video. I'll see you in the next video where I'll be using a circle where three portions are shaded. See you.